Hello there. Hopefully you had a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful Christmas. I did. Oh yeah, I got this beautiful gift from my wife. And, just wanted to share it with you. This is the Versace. I don't know how to pronounce that. Pour Homme. I don't know. I know Versace's name is good. I don't really know a lot about type of cologne. Never really been that big into it, but gonna unbox it and take a look at these with you. So let's start with the I guess it's the hand lotion. Aftershave balm. Let's see. Aftershave. I'll just take a little bit. It's got a nice, pleasant smell, if you could smell it. Like I said, I don't really have a lot of stuff to compare it to. I mean, I'll get a cologne and pretty much use one bottle for forever. Probably expires and I still have the same bottle. So. But it's a very, very good smell. I don't feel the tingly sensation that sometimes you get with aftershave. So it doesn't have like that little menthol type thing to it. But very nice. I'd like to see what it actually feels like after a shave and it hitting the skin. Alright, so that's that. There is a deodorant. It's got plastic on it. Never seen plastic over. Still has more. Well, there's a little cover. I've never had such a hard time opening deodorant. Oh, there we go. Just gotta push the top up. Okay. I don't know, this is a deodorant stick, but it's not, I can tell it's not antiperspirant. And these bad boys right here, they need a little bit more than just deodorant. I need some antiperspirants mixed up in there, so I don't know how much use that'll get, but all right, we get into the big boys now. Let's see what this thing is. Yeah, we'll get to that later. What this is? Just a little vial of, I don't know, something like this, but I'll just put this in the car. It's be like a little backup. I'm thinking it should be the same as that one. I'll think. Well, let's see what this smells like. I mean, I would suppose it smells like the other stuff, but let's just double check. I'm gonna just spray it into the cap. That's not the cap. Like I'm sniffing wine. Aroma. Smell that. Versace. It smells good. Let's see if it smells any different than the bigger bottle. This is a 0.3 fluid ounce. 0.3 fluid ounce. Let's see if the only difference is. And here's the big boy of the set. I like the bottle design. It looks very elegant with the like symbol right there. Look at that on top. I mean, the bottle really looks nice. Alright, let's do I'm gonna do a real spray this time. Oh, look at that. Versace right there. Yeah, that's the same smell. Get that all over. Don't waste that. Yeah, nice little set. I approve. I definitely approve. Like I said, we had a very good Christmas. We just stayed home. Well, we went to church, then came back from church, just hung out with the family, ate some food. We kind of did a little bit different with the food. I made some fettuccine Alfredo, fettuccine Alfredo with chicken. Yeah, there you go. That sounds better. And then I made some salmon with like a honey glaze on it. And then we also had some baked ziti. My sister-in-law made some baked ziti. My wife made sweet potato pie. And I made some bread pudding. And we really had a good meal. Had our son and his wife over, our daughters, my sister-in-law, her grandson. So and then our niece and her daughter also. So we had a nice little gathering, little quick gathering. Yeah. Had a really good day. Thankful once again. I don't know if you've been watching and kind of seeing our journey here. We finally made that 5,000, and so I'm so thankful for the progress of this channel. Look forward to so many more things. If you ever have any suggestions, I'm always ears. Put them in the comments below. I'm looking forward to doing some greater things on this channel in 2023. So stick around, subscribe, share, and look forward to it. All right. God bless. Take care. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.